Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the Fast Prep 2022 concrete floor grinder, which is a 22 inches wide by 20 inches deep. This is a 460-pound machine. 60% of the weight is directly on the head and the rest is on the body. This is the advanced rotary system. So this has basically direct drive. And if you want to mill through a coating, if you want to just do general prep, your production rates per hour, I mean like minimal, like 800 to north of easily 1,000 square feet an hour. Single phase unit, single phase 220, easy to bring downstairs, upstairs into tight places, gets really tight close to the edge of the wall. This is a high speed unit, so it goes from 0 to 3,000 RPM. This machine could take a beating. Versus like other units out there, this machine wants to take a beating. It can go through some bad floors and do some great execution on them. So again, this is a Baldor motor, 7.5 horsepower. Right now it's on special at near $7,000, I think it's like $6,788. But for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the Rhombus double 40 grit grinding plate in the hard bond. A great tool to be used on soft concrete and or if you're trying to remove a coating from a glue, underlayment, if you're trying to remove a mastic, epoxy. It's a great tool, leaves a great surface profile, like the scratch pattern is very uniform and nice. It has a great wear rate, can be used on heavy machines, on light machines. Compared to a regular rectangle segment, the ones that are just like everybody's selling, this is holds more surface area, about 30% more surface area, so the segments are larger by about 30%, and it holds a heavier concentration of diamond by like 30% as well. So if you measure the distance between the microns, the diamonds, you're going to see they're closer together and a lot more of them. So again, you want to remove a coating, you want to do general prep. It's a great tool. Cost per square foot, probably around 2 to 3 cents. You're paying $21.86 each, a set of 9 pieces at $196.74. We have a lot in stock right now. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about Congelz. This is in a 40-pound box or an 18-kilogram box. Now it's for $196.96. This has no fillers. It's 100% pure sodium polymers. So there's zero buy rate. When you open the box, there's not going to be any like flowing dust in your face like kitty litter or anything like that. A little bit goes a long way. Now this is great for if you want to just clean your tools, get rid of your mud, and you don't want to you want to do proper disposal and not like do contamination to the ground. This is the perfect product, and it's 100% safe and legal when you dispose of it. All you gotta do is put it in a contractor bag or garbage bag, throw it into a dumpster, and it's perfectly fine. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the double Rhombus 6 grit medium bond concrete grinding plate. This is a really good tool if you want to like level off some concrete, so you have some high spots, you want to bring them down. The 6 grit is really good at heavy stock removal. If you want to expose large aggregate, this is a great tool to use. If you have a heavily soiled concrete surface and you need to clean it up, this is a great tool to use. So if you want to, level off the concrete, get a heavy surface profile to the concrete. If you have like, let's not say contamination, but like coatings or whatnot in the concrete, mastic, paints, epoxies, it's really good at removing it. So 6 grit, this is a true 6 grit. It's not synthetic, so they're very large in size, and you have a heavy concentration of diamond within the rhombus segment. The rhombus segment surface area versus the traditional rectangle segments is about 30% larger, and it holds a heavy concentration of diamond, about 30 to 40%. So for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk about the Carbide scraper removal tool. Now this is a dual carbides on a trapezoid back plate. You could have them in the position of clockwise or counterclockwise. Maybe you have a rotary grinder like a Prep Master or a Turco, so you would have them in equal positions like clockwise and counterclockwise. Once these blades dull out, you could just switch the positions, so you could switch it 4 times. And it has great wear rates. So if you have a heavy build coating, maybe a hard coating that No other tool is cutting it. This is the perfect tool for it. It's going to just shred it apart. So you just find the far edge and just rip it right apart. So if you have like a heavy buildup, sticky coating, like a very thick black mastic, it's a great tool to use. You can use it wet and or dry. Your production rates per hour are going to be really good. It could be used on light machines as well as heavy machines. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the Husqvarna. So this is basically a magnetic adapter that retrofits your Husqvarna so you're not married to a proprietary system. You don't have to choose their tooling that they feel is right for you. Basically, you can choose maybe another a vendor in your backyard who's done all the research and development for the diamond tooling that works best for the concrete in your backyard. Maybe you could find another vendor that you found the perfect diamond for your toolbox, and at the end of the year you see your savings rise, north of 5%, 10%. That's a lot of money end of year. This basically will retrofit your machine, and it makes it universal. So if you go to a company in your backyard and you say to them, hey, do you have the diamonds with the 3 large holes? They probably most likely have it. It became a universal norm in our industry. And at $32.15 for an adapter, that will basically help you save a lot of money in the future, maybe make your execution or your efficiency a lot better. I mean, that's something I would probably think of. For more information, message me now.